there's a lot. They came from that tree.
Wow.
Hello everyone. Time check. It's 1:31. Break tayo. Ano yan?
Yung 3 years, ano? Ito yung iniintay ko nung nakarangkay.
Ano yan?
Yung hotel na.
Dito sa Novotel?
Yung every year, gagamitin ko na siya this time. Pero next,
Di ba kailangan nating magsagot-sagot kasi?
ayun, tipsy.
Pwede?
Gagamitin ko siya, pero siguro mga next.
Sayang kasi no.
Oo.
Bye! Si Sandra yun. Gulat ako pagpasok eh. Bigla kong enough yung phone. Ayan, kain lang to. Ito ang aking lunch. Burger patties, tas may chicken na natira kanina. Every gawa ko kasi ng Caesar salad, akala ko may chicken. So, nag-extra. Nag-extra o sinadya mo? Serious. See you, kain lang muna ako. Hindi ko gamit yung camera natin ngayon. Gamit ko yung phone. Tapos tawagan ko rin si Marky. Tsaka si Amanda. It's my food, people. Happy. What's the day? Wednesday. Ayan, kain tayo. Thank you, Lord, for my food. Sana magbigyan ng strength. Sana walang pagod natin for today. Long shift tayo today. Kahapon 6 hours lang. Nag-vlog ba ako kahapon? See you later. Ayan, di ko nasabi sa inyo. Nasundo na ako ni Daddy Marky. Nandito kami sa Maroochydore. Hanap ng wine ni Daddy Marky pero wala. Kain tayo ng longgan. May nakuha ako sa work. Sinabi ko ba kahapon na may nakuha ulit ako? Isang tab. Tapos nagpapamigay-migay natin sa mga Filipino doon. Gustong gusto nila. Ang mahal kasi bumili ng mga tropical fruit dito. I love it. Ito din yung mahal. Harap. Kalimutan ko sabihin. Dito na kami sa Bunnings. Bili lang tayo ng cutting mix. Oh, that size, my love. I'm gonna get that size. Ganda na naman ng mga bulaklak. Ay, ang ganda naman yan. Saway ka. Ayan, gusto kong kunin yung violet na yan. Hala, Markay! Sabam. Daday! So why? We need that at home.
Sprinkler?
Kailangan natin yan. Sprinkler para hindi na ako pupunta sa garden. Nandun yung mga ahas. That's you, my love. You're in love with my body. Meron na tayong isa dyan. Makapiright tayo. Ganda naman yan. So, yan. Kumuha tayo ng ito, tsaka tatlong yan. Tagto $2. Ang ganda nito, oh. Lilium Rosaline ang pangalan niya. May pink, may white, and meron ding black. Wow, pretty. So, yan lahat yung nakuha natin. And we spent 1 million. 76.51. Wow! Ang cute ng nasa harap na Volkswagen. Bertie Beetle. Bertie ang plate number. Kami galing. Tignan yung mga pinamili ni Dade. Beers! Wines! Dami pa doon. So, Mr. spent 134 less sa ating flyby na $10 kasi nag-iipon tayo ng points every time na pupunta kayo sa shop na may mga flybys, ganun, mga rewards, ganun. So, yan, nag-claim tayo ng $10. Naka-discount tayo ng $10 shadows. Yun yung mga kagandahan sa mga shop dito, naka-discount kayo in every way. Madaming paraan. So, dati palang pangalan nito is First Choice. Ngayon, pinalitan na Liquorland. So, every First Choice is Liquorland now. Liquorland bought it.
No. Liquorland bottle shops was always same company. So they just changed the names.
Kasi First Choice yan, di ba? And then changed to Liquorland. Good morning, shadows. Time check, it's 6:41 and magdi-deliver na tayo. Happy Thursday! Agrees? Shadows, din ako nakapag-update sa inyo kanina. Galing tayo ng Australia Post. Nagpa-picture ako. Ayan, dito na tayo sa may bus stop. 13 minutes waiting sa ating bus. Hello. I'm home. Nagpapatugtog si Amanda habang nasa CR naliligo. Hello! Hi, shadows. Ayan. Gamitin natin tong camera natin. Ayan, shadows. I-haul natin itong mga pinamili ko sa Kmart today. So, finally, nakabili na ako ng laminator. Ang tagal ko nang gustong bumili nito. It's a must. Kasi sa mga tanim ko, kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng tag. Tapos, hindi kailangan mabasa. So, ilalaminate natin. I got this one sa Kmart for $32. So, bumili rin ako ng cutting paper trimmer kasi kailangan kong ikat yung picture ko na nagpa-picture kasi ako kanina sa Australia Post. So, I got this 12. This is 12. No, this is $15. $12 paper trimmer. So, bumili tayo ng laminator machine. So, kailangan din natin ng laminating film. So, this is $9. Ganito na siya kakapal. Is it? 15 pala. Iba yung price na nakita ko. $15. 80 pieces. 100 pieces. 100 packs. And I got Amanda's ball pen para sa kanyang studies. So, total ng nabili natin ay 64.15 and in afterpay ni Mami Ems yan. Gamitin natin yung afterpay natin, no? And, I think hindi ko pa to na-share. Hindi ko pa siya napakita sa inyo. Nung September 22 pa namin to nabili. I think hindi ko pa to na-vlog. Ito. Bumili ako ng, ang tawag nito, caddy. Art craft caddy. No. Storage box with tray. $12. Pwede ko siyang magamit sa aking gardening. Paglagyan ng anik-anik. Tapos bumili ako ng scissor ulit. And then, stickers pang plants. Ang cute niyan. The sticker is $3.50. Diba ang cute? Dream it, plan it, live it. Tapos mga plants design. Plant mom. Oh my gosh, ang cute. So, the scissor is $3. Yung ibang mga binili namin dito, magamit ni Amanda. Kasi this time, binigyan ni Dad si Amanda ng $50. So, I think kaya hindi ko to nakita sa aking expenses kasi naka-cash pala siya. Ayun lang. Kumusta ang lahat? I-update ko kayo later sa ating mga pananim. So, kailan ba yun? Nung Monday? Nung day off ko, nagtanim. No, it's not Monday. That was Tuesday. Nung Tuesday pala ako nagtanim. Ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a lovely Thursday. Ang init. Ito ata yung pang top coat. 3 peraso. So we got 3 pieces in there. 2 pieces dito. Tanungin ko siya mamaya kung ano-ano tong mga pinag-order na. Base. Kailangan ko rin i-charge tong camera natin. Di ko kasi to dinadala sa work itong DJI. Hindi. Dito lang siya sa bahay. Oh, ito yung pinabili ko sa kanya. Ayun lang. Sabi niya kasi, Mami, i-vlog mo na para magawan kita ng nails mo. O, diba? This is from Amazon. Yun lang. Na-explain ni Manda sa akin yung mga nail polish na pinagbibili niya. Kasi, ano yan? Yung sa base, yan. Asan yung mga pinabili ko sa yung mga ibang kulay? Wala? Wala ba? Meron ka ba lahat?
Meron.
Yung mga pens niya lahat. Yan.
Tapos, black and white.
Okay. Tapos niya kasing maligo. Shadows, pinapa-DIY ko si Daddy Marky. Pinapahiwa ko sa kanya yung tires. So, yan yung gusto kong ipagawa sa kanya. Like, hiwain ng maluwang pagtaniman.
Do you want to try again?
No, Daddy. No. Tapos, pinaalis ko sa kanya yung nasa kalamansi natin. Yan yung nasa lemon. No, mahal ko. Where can we get free mulch again? Yung kalamansi natin, oh. Mulch?
Oh, mulch. Oh,
Yeah.
from the dump.
Pa maalala nyo, pinutulan natin siya. Yung pinutulan natin na, tingnan nyo, saan ba yung isa? May mga tumubo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Love, look, when I prune it, there's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's prune the lemon as well.
I did.
Especially.
Oh, mahal, that's sticky. Dami, oh. 1, 2, 3 yung pinutol natin, tas ang dami niyang tubo. Healthy daw sa kalamansi na pinuprune. Ayan yung pinag-alisan natin. So, yan pala yung nabili natin sa Bunnings kahapon. Meron tayo ditong, ito tagto $2 lang to. Yan yung ilalagay natin sa ating DIY. Ilalagay natin sa goma. $2 din. Pitonya yun. Pitonya, salvia. Ito. What's your name? Meron tayo ditong pitonya din. Violet color. Pitonya din to. White color. Tapos, ito bago lang to sa aking ano to? Salvia. Oh, dalawang salvia. So, ito and yun is salvia. And then this one, $2 lahat to. Celosia. And this one, I think this is Dahlia. Zinnia. And then that one, Celosia as well. Pero different, kulay. And kumuha tayo ng Thai chili ni Daddy Marky. Yung ayan, kakatapos lang natin magdilig pa sa paang floor. Tignan nyo tong ating bougainvillea, oh. Ang lago-lago na niya. Ito yung $40 na nabili natin. Sobrang taas. Taas siya. Tapos itong tubig na to, meron na siyang vetchin. So, diligan natin sila. Once a week. Para mamukadkad yung bulaklak. Meron pa tayo dito. Alam niyo itong mga tanim ko, marami pang kailangan gawin sa kanila para ginagawa ko lang unti-unti. Iba nasa likod sila ng bahay noon. Nilipat ko sila dito sa harap kasi full sun dito. Kaya feeling ko mas gumanda sila dito. Ikaw ah! Kita nyo yan? Kita nyo yan? May kalaban tayo. Saan na? Kita nyo yan? Kita nyo yan? Ikaw ah, pasaway ah. Shadows. Turon for dessert. Yan na yung turon natin. Tignan nyo yung ating noodles. Yung bulalo natin, nilagyan natin yung noodles.
Dapat pagka-grenade ko na lang ito. Double pa.
Yan, mag-edit tayo ng vlog while kumakain. People. Ang liwanag. Because the past few days, it's gloomy. That's why, no?
Uh-huh.
Hala, they touched the car. Took everything away. The front thing is open. Laging sinasabi nila, it's Friday. Before we know it, Friday na naman. Day off namin bukas. So good, it's our day off tomorrow. Time check, 7:01, first delivery. So colorful. Second delivery. 9 o'clock and our last delivery.
Running out of water now.
So, kanina pala si Bianan yung sumundo sa akin, tapos binigyan niya ako
Two
nito.
fresh bowls.
Naka-special daw to sa post. And kinain ko na to kanina sa car. Tapos may Mentos and binigyan niya kami ng sanitizer. Shadows, ayan, nagluluto tayo ng lechon manok ulit. Yum! Ayun, si Daddy Marky ay may pinapanood at ang lakas-lakas ng kanyang pinapanood. So, tayo ay mag-mic. Gagawa ko ng pangpahid natin sa ating barbecue. Aba, humina ang kanyang pinapanood. Good morning. Sushi. You hungry? Are you hungry? Sushi? Sushi? Good morning. Good morning. Hi Shadows, happy Saturday. Good morning. Hi Ellie. Pang 4 days ng ating mga pananim. May update na dyan konti. Pakita ko. Tara! Yung ating sitaw tumutubo na. Shadows update sa dalawang inalisan natin na photos. May bago na siyang tubo. Diba noong October 3 natin sila pinuputulan? Yun. Kita niyo ba? Taran! I'm back! Nasa garden lang tayo kanina. Ngayon nasa car. Alarms na. Hindi mapakali sa loob ng bahay. Pag day off. Gusto laging nasa labas.
Ah!
I said, if it's your day off, you can stay home. You love going out.
I can, but we have. Uncle Glenn has asked us to go.
Uncle Glenn. Cute ng sombrero natin. Pinabili natin sa Kmart. Sabi ni Daddy, did you bring your camera? Tas nilabas ko.
Well, your expensive birthday present.
Oh, thank you! Oh, what can I give you on your birthday, my love? Mag-zarafas kami ni Daddy. Mag-take away kami ng zarafas. When was the last time we had it?
About a month.
Really?
Really? Because last week we're in Brisbane. The weekend before we're in Mooloolaba. The weekend before blah blah.
The city. Na. Tagal na nga. We're here in Zarafas.
Yeah, can I please get one mocha fusion with no cream and 4 shots in a jumbo?
A jumbo mocha fusion with 4 shots and no cream.
Yes, please.
Anything else, sir?
And one Marseille mocha fusion with no cream and 3 shots.
And one Marseille mocha fusion with 3 shots and no cream.
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, love.
Thank you.
Love, thank you, love. Meron sana tayo ano, love. Ay, shoot. Sorry. It will stay. Hello, hello. It will drop. There should be proper thing here, no? What should I buy for that? For the car.
Is that again?
You know that again.
No. 99%.
Non.
No.
Not non.
No, mate.
Do that later on.
Okay.
Ooh, the muffin. We should bring the muffin at home. The blueberry crumble.
Good, thank you.
Do you have the modification and the triple shot modification with whipped cream? Yep. Different bucket stuff? See? Okay, what was that card or cash?
Cash.
$20.60 today.
Thank you, love.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of your day.
Thank
you so much. Cheers. How much did she give you? There's extra?
Less.
Oh, really?
It must have been $20.60.
Cheers, Daddy. Thank you so much.
Oh. Cheers.
Yum.
Why is it so good?
Yung unang tikim mo talaga, like, oh wow. Right, my love? Oh wow, is this?
Every time.
Thank you, love. Yum, yum, yum. So, we are going to Gateway first. Time check, 11:11 in the morning. $11:26 na siya, tapos dito na kami sa Kaka-lounge. Ready? Sarap. I think it's my first time that I finish it like quick.
I know!
Pansin
You
niya.
must have missed it.
I did. So yummy.
So yummy.
Craving satisfied in it?
Pardon?
Craving satisfied in it?
You're the one that said as soon as we got to the car,
Yeah,
Zarafas?
oh, for sure we're gonna have Zarafas because we're going out. Sarap pag libre. Masarap pag libre.
Huh?
It's yummy if it's free.
Yours is always free, my whole
Thank
call.
you, love. I buy coffee for you sometimes. I do. Isn't it? Sometimes. Sometimes.
Ay, ay, ay.
Than just a four-year election. This is not just about U.S. politics. This is not just about, you know, who wins the social debate at the ballot box. This is
Doon
about
tayo sa
control of
gateway.
currency. This is about control of financial.
So we only have few minutes to shop dito sa Gateway. Ayan, kasi 12 magko-close sa 11:30 something na. See you later. And si Love. Tuwang-tuwa na naman kami mag-asawang, dami naming nakuhang free. Pakita namin sa inyo mamaya. Punong-puno yung, hindi naman punong-puno, pero puno yung cart natin. We're back in the car. Shadows, ang dami naming nakuhang free. Lalo na sa bread and... Oh, look at the old lady. She got something. Ang magandang technique pagpunta pala dito is before sila mag-close. Kasi pinapamigay. I think that's the manager, no?
Yeah. Helen.
Yeah. She gave us so much free. Free banana, may avo, free mango. Just one mango. I can use that in smoothie or something. And then Daddy got a lot of free bread. Free Vegemite. That's why. Nah, not for me, mate. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pinamili na. So we spent how much we spent? 77.53. Yung pinaka-expensive na nakuha namin is yung Scotch fillet. Beef Scotch fillet.
Black Angus.
Black Angus, 40.33.
That would normally be.
You wanna go to the op shop?
We will. I need to go to the toilet.
Pag nagsama talaga ang mag-asawa eh. Tikman natin yung Vegemite. What's Vegemite made of?
Vegemite.
Not bad. I can taste something like no, I'm trying to figure it out. What's that taste? Mix kasi to cheese and what's that, Daddy? Vegemite scroll. What's in it? Cheese and Vegemite.
More.
No, thank you. Because it's in the bread and then there's cheese, so I cannot taste the Vegemite like when you made me taste it at home. Para siyang daan tayo dito. Tayo sa Asian shop.
I would say now you are actually doing the work.
Bumili tayo ng Pilipit. Wait, my love, the door is open. And then, 2 milk ko. Ito lang talaga bibilihin ko. Naisama lang yung pinilit. Let's try this one. Pilipit biscuit. Yes, may mahal ko. You wanna try it, mahal ko? Oops, Daddy, there's someone at the back. My love. Far away? Nyay, daitan. Quiet. You love it? Kaya. I miss this. So expensive though. $6.99.
Holy.
Holy moly, guacamole.
Just to
Guess
save us
what?
food. That's it.
We're gonna
Short,
check
sharp,
Salvo
we must
again here
save-
in Caloundra. Iwan ko muna kayo dito. Ang cute niya no? For Amanda. Tapos nakita ko to. May binigay kasi si dad sa akin na ganito. 2 maliit. Parang terno sila. Yan yung mga nakuha natin. Tapos ang ganda nito oh. Ito. 2 yan. Meron isa dito. Yan o. Baloy! Nakabili tayo ng 2 shelves. Tignan nyo mamayang gaganda. Daddy, that's what I'm saying, my love. $25 each. Hi, Shadows. Nakauwi na tayo ng bahay. So, ito yung pinamili natin sa Salvo. 2 ganito nandun yung isa.
Wala, 2 pala.
Oh. $2 pagsabitan ng tanim.
Dami ah.
Dream na word.
Cute.
Lalagay ko dyan. Dream.
Cute.
Mga photos natin. Tapos, termo sa binigay ni Pop.
Terno?
Tapos, ito.
Ano yan?
Cute, no? Pang garden ko.
Ano yan?
Tada!
Ang cute! Ano to? Pot?
Oo.
Parang bago pa siya.
Cute nga eh. Sabi ko magugustuhan mo yan. $5.
Ang cute.
Sama ka?
Hindi.
Tapos yung grocery natin.
So cute.
Pakita mo na lang dito. Magulo yung ref natin. So, merong garlic bread, $1 each. Beef mince, pang bulalo na meat. Tapos, corn kernels, tsaka corn. At tsaka itong ating, Angus Scotch fillet. Tapos yun.
Tapos yan.
Lahat ng bread free. Free. Tapos free din yan. Pinamigay ng free. Tapos yung milk lang at saka to ang
Hindi. Ang cute.